6 DNLA cadres killed in an encounter with security forces inside Dhansiri. Hello viewers, good morning and a very warm welcome to Karbi Anglong Live Morning News. You're watching with your host Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news for this morning. Now let's look into the news in details. At least 6 members of the Dimasa National Liberation Army was neutralized in an encounter in Misi Bailam between the underground group and security force comprising of Karbi Anglong Police and the army in the wee hours of Sunday. The encounter took place just a day after one DNLA commander's brother was arrested by the police from Habjan area on Saturday in connection with the killing of Sanjay Ronghang at Daojingpang village inside Dhansiri on Wednesday evening. In a major success for the Karbi police with the assistance of security forces, at least 6 DNLA cadres were shot dead in an encounter which took place in the wee hours on Sunday morning. The firing took place at Misi Bailam in the Assam-Nagaland border area of Dhansiri. Among the 6 rebels gunned down, one was identified as local area commander Premnath Jigdung alias Tamil Dimasa. Others were Nawa Dimasa, Firing Dimasa, Jindau Dimasa, Dhadkan Dimasa and Rondau Dimasa. According to the police, 2 other militants suffered injuries in the firing, but they managed to escape. The deceased body were brought to the DMCH for postmortem. Later, the police conducted a press conference where it was told that the operation was carried in response to an accurate intel about a big group of DNLA militants enter Karbi Anglong from Nagaland with the motive of extortion. Accordingly, the local police and army teamed up an ambush in Misi Bailam forest area. As the armed group approached, fierce firing ensued between the security forces and the DNLA cadres, in which they lost 6 of their cadres. No casualty or injury from the police side had been reported.
বজাত আমি এটা খবৰ পাইছিলোঁ আমাৰ সোৰ্চৰ পৰা যে এটা গ্ৰুপে এক্সটৰ্শন কৰিবলৈ ধনশ্ৰী আউটপোষ্টৰ ফালে আহি আছে নাগালেণ্ড ক্ৰছ কৰিবলৈ। তো আপোনালোকে জানে ধনশ্ৰী নদীখন পাৰ হ'লে এইফালে আমাৰ মিছি বাইলাম এৰিয়া মঙলামুখ এৰিয়া পৰে আৰু ডুবি দিছা যোনটো জেগাত ঘটনাটো হ'ল। সেইফালে ক্ৰছ কৰি আহোঁতে এটা ডাঙৰ DNLA গ্ৰুপক আমাৰ এম্বুছত থকা পাৰ্টীয়ে আৰ্মি আৰু আছাম পুলিচৰ পাৰ্টীয়ে চেলেঞ্জ কৰোঁতে আমাক ফায়াৰ কৰে আৰু ইন ৰিটালিয়েশ্যন আমি যেতিয়া ফায়াৰ কৰোঁ তেতিয়া সেই সময়ত আমি চাৰ্চ কৰিব পৰা নাছিলোঁ জেগাটো। তো পুৱতি নিশা যেতিয়া পোহৰ হৈছে তেতিয়া আমি চাৰ্চ কৰি 6টা DNLA কেডাৰ আৰু যথেষ্ট সংখ্যক আমি AK চিৰিজৰ ৰাইফল, .303 ৰাইফল, গ্ৰেনেড আৰু স্মল আৰ্মছ পিষ্টল আমি ৰিকভাৰ কৰিছোঁ। আৰু এই দুটা পাৰ্টিটো আপোনালোকে জানে আজি ইলেকশ্যনৰ আগতে অমিত নুনিছাক গুলীয়া হত্যা কৰিছে আৰু 15 তাৰিখে সঞ্জয় ৰংফাৰক হত্যা কৰা। তাৰ মাজৰে এজন আইডেণ্টিফাই আছে তামিল বুলি, ইয়াৰে এজন কেডাৰ। গতিকে 6জন কেডাৰ আমি এতিয়ালৈকে আইডেণ্টিফাই কৰিছোঁ। গোটেইকেইজনে আইডেণ্টিফাই হৈছে। যোনকেইজন কেডাৰ এতিয়া ডেড বডি পোৱা গৈছে তেওঁলোকক আইডেণ্টিফাই কৰিছে আৰু তাৰ ভিতৰতে 200 কেডাৰ তামিল আছিলে, যোনটো এই 2টা কিলিঙত ইনভল্ভ আছিলে মই কোৱা নিচিনাকৈ। তামিল ইনভল্ভ আছিলে, হয়।
আৰু ছাৰ এটা আৰু এটা খবৰ আহিছিল আমালৈ আহিছিল যে অন্য 2জন বাবু উজাই আৰু তেওঁলোক 2জন মন্ত্ৰী সিপাৰে নাগালেণ্ডত গৈ তেওঁলোক 2জনৰ মৃত্যু হোৱা বুলি এটা খবৰ আহিছিল।
আমাৰ অপাৰেশ্যনটো এতিয়া চলি আছে। গতিকে যিহেতু এই ফায়াৰিং কৰোঁতে কিছুমান কেডাৰে ইফালে পাৰ হৈ গুচি গৈছে নাগালেণ্ড ফালে, তো নাগালেণ্ড পুলিচৰ সহযোগত আমি বিচাৰ বুজা কৰি আছোঁ। বাবু ভুজা আৰু মুচৰাং 200 কেডাৰ, মুচৰাংটো অতি 200, গতিকে আমি খবৰ পালে নিশ্চয় ফোন কৰিম। এইটো এটা ডাঙৰ গ্ৰুপ আছিলে, এইটো ডাঙৰ গ্ৰুপ এটা আছিলে। তো চেডেলি হৈ গৈছে। যিহেতু আমাৰ এৰিয়াত সোমাওঁতে তেতিয়া আমাৰ এইখিনি এনকাউণ্টাৰ হ'ল, বাকীখিনি আকৌ নাগালেণ্ডলৈ সোমাই গ'ল। এইটো যথেষ্ট ডাঙৰ গ্ৰুপ, 15জনীয়া গ্ৰুপ হ'ব পাৰে।
Police informed that they had also recovered huge cache of arms and explosives including AK series rifles, pistols and live ammunitions. According to them, the deceased DNLA leader Tamil Dimasa was the prime accused behind the murder of Amit Nunisa, who was gunned down before the assembly elections, and Sanjay Ronghang, who was killed last week. Sources claim that several members of the armed group went back to Nagaland by crossing the border, and the Assam police have been in constant contact with the Nagaland police to nab the remaining members. People of Karbi Anglong lauded the Karbi Anglong police for taking quick and shrewd action against armed men. Bikram Cruz report from Dipu for Karbi Anglong Live. In a sad news for the media fraternity of Dipu, 40 years old Rajiv Mach, a local journalist from the town who was working for the Asomia Pratidin and Assam Talks news channel, passed away on Sunday. Rajiv Mach was a resident of Rongmongbe in Dipu. On Saturday, he met with an accident on the Dilai Manja road. He was in the car along with his friend when they were hit by another vehicle from behind. He was hurriedly taken to Dimapur for treatment, but he succumbed to his injuries, leaving behind his wife, children, friends and relatives. News X report, Karbi Anglong Live. The Jonji Karbi Youth Organization of Biswanath District carried road repair work in the locality on Sunday. The social work was carried out following lack of response from concerned department for its repair. Here is a short report. The youths have carried out the repair of the road linking Jonji Center to Monabari Grand PWD Road. The length of the road will be at least 1 kilometer. The youths informed that they repair the road work on saying the utterly appalling condition of the road, which is filled with countless potholes, due to which locals and commuters have been facing painful experiences on a daily basis. As rainy season approaches, this poor road was set to trouble the commuter of the area. With the local panchayat failing to take action to repair the road, the youths had to come up with their own effort. The youth received assistance from a local company named TK Engineering Consumption Private Limited. The company had also provided refreshment to the villagers joining in the social work and also assured all help possible in the future as well. Following this, locals expressed gratitude towards the private firm for providing their assistance during the day. Chandra Singh Rongpi's report from Biswanath, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.